everybody, this is Rajat Brar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that you have to say and you will say this to me cause after a gap of 6 months I have come back on my channel, but there was a very big reason behind that. Actually, I just realized that I have lost somewhere in the seat. Somewhere I was very confused. I was lost somewhere. After a lot of time, I got the real motto of my life, the real Rajat Brar. That is to share everything, whatever I have gained in my life with you. During this time, I have got a lot of lesson requests, song lesson, technique lesson, but I couldn't process that. I want to say to you that all those requests are still in my mind and we'll start working on that very soon. One more thing I want to share with you. You may have seen a lot of guitar lesson channel on YouTube. What is the difference between those and mine? I tell you right now. You may have seen that the first lesson I posted on my YouTube channel was of Dance of Death of Iron Maiden. So I thought I tell you a short story. There was a time when I was a teenager in 2011. I was very curious about that song. So when I tried to learn that and I tried to seek the lesson on internet, on YouTube, on various platforms, on social media. But the biggest misfortune I had to face, I couldn't get any lesson of that. So the biggest difference between those YouTube channels and mine is I always choose exclusive content which you will never see anywhere on internet. Like Dance of Death is nowhere on internet. Rock On movie theme song, Sinbad the Sailor, whatever I have done or whatever I will select, I will post ahead on YouTube, you will never see anywhere on internet. So this was the main thing. One more thing I will tell you, that sharing is gaining, always we say. So please share my channel with the needy ones. If you think someone is needy for guitar lesson, then must share, cause sharing is gaining. And I tell you, back in the day I was getting lot of requests for a single lesson in my Instagram page. I was getting requests. So today's topic is chord progression, and I am damn sure that you will explore some new deeper ideas of music theory with the help of this lesson. And by chance, if you already know this lesson, then must share your experience in the comment section below. Today's lesson is chord progression. So what is the chord progression? For example, we take a song. There's an old song which is very famous of BJ Thomas, Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. So for example, we are playing this song in the key of F. You may have heard this song on Spider-Man 2. It was featured in that. So raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy who feet are too big for his... What was this? Something missing? So missing was I was trying to play this on single chord, but what will be the other chords which will match the tune? So let's try again. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the... It's a very bad idea. So there must be something in music theory which will help me. Let's explore this. So first, let's understand a little bit of music theory. For example, like any other major scale song, we are here to play Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head song from BJ Thomas. As we know, it's in the key of F major scale. This is the key. So first of all, we have to understand F major scale. So F major scale notes are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, back, F again. So in musical terminology, we counted these notes as degrees, like first degree, second degree, third degree, fourth degree, fifth degree, sixth degree, seventh degree, and this is not the eighth one, it's again the first one, like FF. So for accompany a major scale, First three main chords we need to understand are the chord progression, basic chord progression. It's tonic, we'll understand a little bit later, subdominant and dominant. These are the main things we have to understand. First degree, fourth degree and fifth degree. That means if we want to play any major scale song, then first degree, fourth degree, fifth degree. Let's understand these more in brief. So for understanding this concept in brief, let's understand this. There are three main chords for accompany any major scale song. First is tonic chord, second is subdominant chord, third is dominant chord. So tonic chord builds on the first degree of any major scale. Subdominant chord builds on the fourth degree of any major scale. Dominant chord builds on the fifth degree of any major scale. So for example, if we have to play Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, which is in the key of F major, tonic chord will be the first degree. First degree will be the F. Subdominant will be the fourth degree. Fourth degree will be the 1, 2, 3, 4. That means F, G, A, B flat. This will be the fourth. And dominant chord means fifth degree. Fifth degree will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F, G, A, B, C. This one. That means for accompany any song which will be in the key of F major, chords will be F, B flat and C. You can experiment more with this. With the help of these, you can find more chords in more of the scales, like C major scales. You can find out with the help of this one. So, let's get into the practical things. For example, as we have seen, chords will be F, B flat and C. In this case, we have to play Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. Let's get into practical. Raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy who feed a too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops keep falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun. So now it's getting more beautiful. Now it's sounding more beautiful than the previous one. But one thing there is still missing. It's not missing, but with the help of this formula, you can find any major scale song. Like for example, I'm telling you one more thing, like C major scale. This is a scale and degrees are, we have to take first, fourth and fifth. So this is tonic chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one will be the subdominant. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth degree will be the dominant chord G. Like this, you can find any scale relative chords. So take this example, take this formula and practice in your home for more. Exploring more scales, more chords. Let's get into the conclusion right now. If you are a beginner and you want to just play random things on some guitar and want to sing, then it is good. But if you are an intermediate player and want to explore more, then it is must for you to keep watching till the last one. But I will suggest to both of you to be on this video till the last one, because you will explore more knowledge. Let's explore. So let's get something more deeper into music theory. As you can see this table, we have taken C major scale. Notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So as I told you before that we count it as degrees. First degree, second degree, third degree, fourth degree, 5, 6, 7 degree. So now I have mentioned here all those degrees. On first degree, there is a chord built which is known as tonic chord. On second degree, supertonic. It's not necessary to remember, but as a music student you should know this. First degree tonic chord, second degree supertonic, third degree median, fourth degree subdominant, fifth degree dominant, sixth degree submedian, seventh degree leading. And on first degree chord will be the major, second degree it will be the minor, third degree it will be the minor, fourth degree it will be the major, fifth degree it will again be the major, sixth degree it will be the minor, and seventh degree it will be diminished. This table, this one you have to remember always, because this is the the formula we use. Now, more easier way. Major chords will be first, fourth and fifth degree, like we learned in previous thing. Minor chords will be second, third and sixth degree. Seventh one will be the diminished triad. For example, as we take C major scale. C, according to the C major scale, first degree is tonic chord, it's major chord. First degree is major chord. Second is D. D is minor. Third degree is minor. Again, third degree is, fourth degree is major. Fifth degree is again major. Sixth degree minor. Seventh degree is diminished. Then back to C again. So tonic, subtonic, mediant, subdominant, dominant, submediant, leading. So with the help of this one, I will put the PDF of this all things in the last of the video, and I will also put it in the description box. You can get it from there. So the conclusion is, if you remember this formula, you can play any major scale song. You can accompany any major scale song. So till now, that's it. I hope you will like it amazing and helpful. If you like it, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to comment and share, because sharing is gaining. Stay blessed. Keep exploring.